का सेवा कर रहे हैं। ये जो पूरा 1,11,000 प्रसाद का बुकिंग होता है और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, वो यही देखते हैं। तो ये थोड़ा बताएंगे आपको कैसे करते हैं।
हरे कृष्णा। ये 83 से मैं इस सेवा को अंदर करते हूँ और उसके साथ में जो भी प्रोग्राम हुआ उसके अंदर मैं सेवा के और उसके साथ जब भी मैं इस प्रोग्राम को बहुत बड़ी खुशी रहती है कि सब लोगों को प्रसाद वितरण होता है। मेरा भगवान जी का उद्देश्य ये था कि सबको ये प्रसाद वितरण हो ताकि ये जितने भी मंदिर है दर्शनार्थी एक जगह नहीं घूमने में सभी जगह इस तरह का प्रसाद। तो आप बताइए कि आप
कितना किलो राइस है?
4 टन आया।
4 टन राइस। और बाकी
और क्या कहाँ से सामान
ये सामान तो हमेशा 7 तालु की करते हैं अंधेरी के अंदर और हमारा देश के अंदर उसी से अनुकूल होता है क्योंकि जो हम रेट बांधा है आज से ये 3 टन राइस हमारे होता है जो 2 वासी से आए हैं।
उसका दान किया गया है ज़्यादातर। उसका दान किया गया है ज़्यादातर।
एक ही आदमी
ठीक।
मेन्यू पता क्या है?
हाँ, ये राइस है, कचौड़ी और भूखने की सब्जी है और हलवा है और अचार है। सभी की
कहाँ बांटेंगे?
1,11,000 आदमी है उसमें अलग अलग तरह कांदू वाली गोभी वाली फलार और दादा टाइप में है या इसलिए में है अंधेरी है उसी तो हर साल इसी तरह जाता है। चलिए ओके थैंक यू।
इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी फॉर कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस इस्कॉन जूम है जो कि हरे कृष्ण मूवमेंट का और इस्कॉन का हेडक्वार्टर्स है, रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस है इंडिया के लिए। और हम एक दूसरे को काफ़ी दिनों के बाद मिल रहे हैं जो हमारे प्रेस के first time in the history of our temple that the temple was closed for 10 months, but we are very happy to today invite and welcome all of you, and we are very grateful that all of you have arrived and graced this occasion and honored us. And the first occasion that we celebrate, the event that we are actually welcoming you for is the 43rd anniversary of ISKCON Juhu. So it was 43 years back that this temple had opened its doors to the citizens of Mumbai. And to honor this occasion, we have a lot of events which are lined up. And a lot of citizens of Mumbai are actually looking at this with great hope. Also, strategically, today is also the day when the COVID vaccine is getting launched.
And spare your valuable time to attend this program. Actually, in 1978, Makar Sankranti, 14 January, our temple was inaugurated in 1978. And now, tomorrow, it will be 43rd anniversary. I mean, 43 years has passed. And we have already did the 25th anniversary and 40th anniversary. But this 43rd anniversary also is a very big event. And on this occasion, we have many programs which I will just read out. And on this occasion, our Honorable Prime Minister, he has sent a message. On copies, we will just give you one copy for the Prime Minister's message. And other press kits we have already given to you. So, the program is as such. Tomorrow, 6 a.m. As usual, our temple open at 4:30, but 6 a.m. we'll start the inauguration ceremony for prasad distribution, 6 am. And the prasadam, 6:30, prasad distribution begins from ISKCON Juhu throughout Mumbai. Because this prasadam, if you have time, we can take you around here where cooking. And we have planned to distribute 1,11,000 plates of prasadam in Mumbai and suburbs. So 6:30 prasadam distribution will start. And 9 am. So one of our stalwart, His Holiness Giriraj Swami Maharaj, who was ex-president of this temple when the temple construction started, and for a long time he was president. Now he is staying in America. But he wrote a very nice book about our Juhu temple. That book name is I'll Build a Temple, the Juhu Story. There are all the struggle, how to establish this temple. It's a very voluminous book, about 1,000 pages. So this book will be launched tomorrow at 9 am. And then Kirtan will be there in the temple, 4:15, exactly at 4:15 p.m. So there will be Dhoja Arvan. Dhoja means the flag. Our temple dome, we have 3 deities, Sri Sri Radha Ras Bihari Ji, and Sitaram Lakshmana Hanuman, and Gaur Nitai, all 3 deities. On the dome, we are going to hoist flag. And also 6 p.m. there will be Abhishek of all the deities. And we have we have guest, Honorable Minister, Chief Guest. His name is Sri Anil Parab Ji, Minister of Transport and Parliamentary Affairs, Government of Maharashtra.
I hope you all had nice lunch, sumptuous lunch. That is also prasad. Prasad means that which is sanctified food, offered to Krishna and sanctified. And in fact, Srila Prabhupada, our founder Acharya, gave great emphasis for food distribution. There is an interesting story behind that. In 1974, our founder Acharya, Srila Prabhupada, was in a place called Mayapur, very close to Calcutta, and he saw after lunch from the temple, the leaf plates, waste prasadam were thrown out into the dustbin, and there were some poor children, they were trying to grab the food, and there were dogs also, and dogs were trying to grab the food also. So there was a fight between the dogs and the poor children. When Srila Prabhupada saw this scene, from his eyes tears came. Then he said, 10 miles radius of our center, any ISKCON center, nobody should go hungry. 1974 he said. So on that basis, to our temple, whoever comes, they don't go hungry. In fact, sometimes before the event also we tell them to take prasad so that you are not hungry. So in the temple, there are visitors are coming, we are giving little prasadam, and throughout the day there are different events. All the events culminate with prasadam. And tomorrow, being the Makar Sankranti day, which also is distribution. Because Makar Sankranti is the auspicious occasion where, according to Vedic calendar, sun starts traveling northward, which is known as Uttarayan, which brings more light, more shine, and auspiciousness also. And on this day, if one does food charity of food, Annadan, he gets tremendous benefit. So on this occasion, ISKCON for several years now are distributing 1,11,111 plates of meal, prasadam, throughout Bombay in various places, different suburbs and slums, schools, orphanages, old age homes, some hospitals. various social institutions we distribute prasad on 14th and 15th of January. And this is a very massive prasad distribution. The scenario of poverty being there still, and people appreciate it, and we serve prasadam. And our program is so appreciated. The message of Prime Minister of India, which is given to you, the Prime Minister himself is emphasizing that the efforts of ISKCON, such as providing meals to lakhs of people, free distribution of books, imparting
We just rose to the occasion and took this opportunity to help thousands of people, including many of our workers, medical, police, emergency, during the COVID times. And we have Gokuleshwar Prabhu who will share more information about the initiatives that we took during the COVID time to help the citizens of Mumbai.
So, during lockdown time, we saw that many migrant laborers and many other persons in Mumbai who had no opportunity to earn because of lockdown had difficulty in getting food. So even we in our temple, because of lockdown, our staff and all had left the place. Still feeling compassionate and wanting to help the people. Our own brahmacharis in the temple, we started cooking meals for around 20 to 25,000 people every day, which was a cutting and packing and then sending for distribution, and that went on for many months, and people were very happy with it. So all over India, ISKCON centers, they did this activity, and the total meals distributed all over India by various ISKCON centers crossed more than 4 crores morning and evening. And just our temple did more than 10 lakhs. We had very small kitchens, accordingly we could manage that. So ISKCON since last more than 50 years has been doing lots of such initiatives to help people. And we are able to do this with the help of people. So we help people with the help of people. Some people help us and we in turn help others. Nowadays there's a model mantra.
And also minister, they will address the public here, the devotees, those who are coming here, they are going to address. So these are the program for, and then after that, after this address, then everybody will get prasad. Prasad means dinner prasadam. Everybody will get a nice plate of prasadam. And that is the program for tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, that is 15th January, same event will start like inauguration of the ceremony for prasadam distribution, and 6:30 onwards our vehicles will just go throughout Bombay and nearby places for distributing prasadam. We have arranged lot of vehicles, about more than 100 trucks, mini trucks, and our devotees also, everybody will go, each truck 1 or 2 devotees will go, and we have arranged people in the area, those who will be help us